Okay, Dayman, we're gonna put sprinkles on the cake. It's a blue cake, okay? This is for you.
Yeah.
Okay, here's the sprinkles. We did a blue cake with blue frosting.
Okay.
And now we're gonna open up the sprinkles.
Whoa. Whoa.
Wow, check out these sprinkles. They're different colored stars. Can you put them on the cake, baby? Yes. Yeah, we could put them all over. Look. This. You want to do it? Yeah, good job. This is Damien's cake. Damien has been asking me for a cake since before I went to Mexico. And now we finally get to do it a few days later. Wow, these are cute little sprinkles. It looks like little whales and fishies. It goes perfect with our blue cake and our blue frosting. Good job. You're a good decorator. Damien helped me put the frosting. He helped me mix up the batter. We put the eggs, the oil, the water. He did a really good job. Are those good sprinkles? Say yummy sprinkles. Say hi, Daddy. Say hi, Daddy. We're baking. Say hi, Daddy. Look at that blue face. Yum, 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 yum. Wow. Delicious. Damien's masterpiece. Yum.